Hola mis amigos y welcome back to my canal. So today I'm going to be showing you this eye look. I'm not going to be doing my makeup on camera because I've done those and show you how I do my makeup. The only thing is this eye look today. Just simple, very easy. I wanted to add the blue just because it'll match my pants. But I just wanted to let y'all know, sorry I've been a little MIA. The only reason is I did get eyelash extensions and I was trying to, kind of keep up with them and not do any eye makeup or mascara, liner, eyelashes, But I've been dying because I've been wanting to put on lashes and do my makeup and do all that. And since I already have an appointment coming up for my eyelash extensions, I'm like, YOLO, let's go ahead and just put on some lashes, mascara, everything. But anyway, so yeah, so that's the reason why I've not been doing it. But yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. This is gonna be my Easter outfit slash makeup of the day. So hopefully you all like it and just keep on watching. But just to let you know, guys, this top, so that way y'all know where I got the stuff. This top I got it from Fashion Nova. It is a little bit see-through. Just like that. And then these pants are kind of those loose ones. I'm not sure. Have little pockets. And then these I got them from Route 21. Yeah. So anywho, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Missed y'all. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild fluffy tapered brush. And I'm gonna go in with this Sephora Pro. This one right here, yellow. I don't remember what it's called. It's called Ochre. And I love this one for the like base and the bottom translucent. I love it. Love it, love it. Because it just pops from the background of the color. Next, I am going to go in with Chestnut right here. And it's just like a kind of purpley dark brown. And I'm going to do the same. So as you can tell, these are the lash extensions. So yeah, that's the reason that I wasn't doing much of the videos, because I didn't know if I could put on makeup or not, and I'm gonna go get them done here these coming days. So I'm like, eh, oh well, if they come off, they come off. But anyways, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna go in circular motion right there. And then all the way over. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I will darken the outer part, but I want to do this part first because the middle is where I need to work on. So, I'm going to go ahead and cut. Just to around right there. I'm not going way up. And I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and it is in medium. And I'm just using this You Spicy brush from Amazon. And just cutting. Okay, now I'm going to go back in, and I'm probably going to go in with, let me see. I'm probably going to go ahead and do Oat. So Oat is this one right here. Just getting the same thing, like a little fluffy brush. Flat brush, and the same one. It is the You Spicy from Amazon. And I'm just going to tap it on, kind of to set it, but just going to do it from the beginning. Because I am going to go in with another color right there. That'll just be to match my Easter outfit. So. Now, after that's done, I am going to go in with this one right here, and it is in Total Intensity. I guess that's the brand. It looks like this. I got it at Ulta, and it was like on sale. So anyways, I'm going to go with the flat brush, the same one we just used. And I'm just going to dab a little bit. I don't want a lot. Look. Okay, so I'm doing from this part over, just kind of blending right here, but I want it more on the outer end because I want it darker. Just like that. Okay, I'm sorry guys, because I'm eating, trying to get ready and eat and all that. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with this Sephora Pro, and I'm going to go in with Burnt Umber and Obsidian, which is these two, the dark brown and the black. And I'm going to try to just darken it just a little bit on the outer part. And yay, this is my first Morphe brush. And so it's M514. Thought it was exciting. It's just a little tapered one, so it's nothing, well. But anyways, I kind of wanted to do it and add it to my outer part just because it's tiny. So we'll see. Anyways. So I'm going to add it right here and out a little bit just to darken. Oh, my hair. Just up a little bit. Okay guys, and so do you see how kind of dark it is right there? I'm going to go back in with my fluffy taper brush, the one in Wet n Wild's brand, and just try to clean it up just a little bit to, you know, not have it that marked. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and put on my contacts because, well, I'm about to put some eyeliner, which I have not worn eyeliner in about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Yeah, so that's basically how long. I think it's been 2 weeks. So that's about how long I've not done a video because of the eyelashes. But oh well, we're going in today. So eyeliner, and then this one, of course, is also my Rimmel, the Rimmel London. It is the professional liquid liner. This is one of my all-time favorite. Besides the NYX, this one is my favorite. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Eyelure Definition in number 126. These are one of my all-time favorite lashes. So me putting these on, sorry, I want to fast food. Me putting these on my eyes with the eyelash extensions, I don't know how that's going to work, but I mean, if they come off, they come off. I'm ready for eyelashes. So like I said, I am going to go back in for fill-in this week. So yeah, so let's go ahead and put them on. Okay guys, so I was going to go ahead and do my eyelashes while my eyelash glue is drying. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, and then I'll be right back to apply them on, okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. So I already went ahead and did my face. The only thing is I have not worn, like I said, I've not worn lashes with my eyelash extension, so I'm pretty sure they're going to come out. And I don't know if you can or you can't. I've not really even read up about it or even checked on that. That's why I was scared to put some on, but YOLO. So let's go ahead, apply them. go. Oh, I missed you, baby. Missed you. So there you go. Reunited and it feels so good. I'm just kidding. Oh, man, is this how it feels to be happy? I'm just kidding. I'm just so freaking excited that I'm able to wear eyelashes again. Just like I said, I'm always just scared to just mess with them. But okay, guys. So since I already went ahead and applied the eyelash, I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with this one right here, and I'm gonna go with the tapered and Morphe brush. I'm just gonna apply a little bit down here. I just want a little darkened, but a little clean and messy, if that makes sense. I'm not going for perfect, just trying to, a little bit. Okay, so since I already went ahead and did that, I am going to go ahead and start, eyelash glue. I'm going to go ahead and start putting my hair down because we need to get ready, and just got little bobby pins, some of you can see. But yeah, I'll be right back. Let me go ahead and get all this down and out of the way, and I'll show y'all the final look. Okay, guys, so I'm back. This is the final look. I do have some clip-ins my hair to make it more fuller because this is not all my hair. But just to make it a little bit fuller is what I was going for. And just to let you know that for the lips, I went ahead and used the Sephora. These are the cream lip satin ones, and this is the number 23. So I love it. But yeah, guys, so that is the final look. I'm gonna go get ready and head out to church for Easter. But hopefully y'all liked this look, and if you did, please thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm always sorry for that. It's just me, the way I do things, and so yeah. But anyways, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. You all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, amigos. Adios.